Okay, today I'm going to show you how to draw superior. First, go like this. Go like this. See? See? Okay. And you go like that, like kind of in sideways this part. Gotta go a little bit more down. I'm like kind of sketching, so it's like that. But yeah. Then you go like this. See that? Go like that. Like this. See? Okay? Then you go like this. Go like that. And you go like this. See? See? You do that right there. You see? Right there. Then you gotta, if you made this, when you make this, oops, sorry, you gotta make it straight like that. See? Then what you do is you go like this, like that, and then you turn it like that till you get like that. You gotta go like this. You see that swirl thing? Then you go like this. Like that. See? Then you like this. And then you go like that. Like that. Oops, I messed up. Sorry. Okay. Go like this. And you swirl it like that. And then you go like that. Then you see if you can see there. Okay. Now you do that, and then you do this. See those lines right where I'm pointing? The lines right there. These two right there. Do those. Make this a little bit higher. And then this part's the hard part. Like, you gotta get it the right amount of size. Like that. And then you gotta go like this. See? Then go like this. Make a small one. And you make a longer one right there. Then you go like this. And you go like that. And you go like that. Like that. You go like that. See? And you put a line right here. And the eye. Then you put a dot right there. Then you put the mouth. See the mouth right there. Put the mouth. Okay. Then you do this. Then you do that right there. Put it like that. You see? You see? Right there. Then you do this. Put this right here. Like this. And like that. Do that right there. Then you do this. Then and you do this. Right there. You can see right there, you see? You put that, and then you put that. Okay? It's not finished yet. Okay? Now, you do this. Like that. You put this line where I'm pointing at right there. You put it all the way until there. Okay, as you can see, it's like that. Then you do this, like that, like that, okay. Then you do that, you know, okay. And then you are finished with Superior. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Bye.